Today I'll be unboxing my Noctua D15. It's a cooler with two big fans. It's 140 millimeters fans and with a 6 heat pipe design. It's actually the best cooler from Noctua. I don't have a smaller desk to put the cooler, so I'll be unboxing on my seat stand desk. Let's rotate. First, here you have the accessories and the secure firm 2 mounting system. I put this aside and see what's in the box. So here in the box you have some paperwork. This is a sticker from Noctua. And low noise adapter. The paste is here also. I don't know how. Here is the screwdriver, because this is kind of a toolless mounting. You don't need anything else besides what's in the box. Here is the back plate. Here in the back you have the secure firm. Is the LGA 115X, because there are many iterations. And this is the actually mounting brackets. Oops. Okay, and the screws which are used. From the unboxing experience, this is a pretty pleasant unboxing experience compared to the other coolers. Here are the AMD set. Okay, putting the mounting system aside. Next in the box we have a very ingenious foam remote. It's pretty neat because many of the this is the second NF A15. So this is a Noctua fan. Here is also a very premium unboxing experience. It's like a book. Okay. These pads are made of rubber for noise concerns. Next, we have the heat pipe itself. Many coolers are coming in box like this from my experience. this unboxes like a, let me see if I get it straight from the first time. Oops. Pretty ingenious. The second fan is spotted in its place already. I will remove the heat pipe. I can take it out. Yes. It is pretty steady and good fitting. As you can see, out of the box, it is packed very well. The fins are very slim. I think I might cut myself with these. Here is the base plate. The mounting screw. Okay. So I think this is a very premium unboxing experience. I liked it a lot. I also have a Noctua AM4 adapter for a new AMD socket. I will be attaching it next, and I will be putting a second unboxing on that. I will be replacing my current 240 red from Deepcool with this, and I will make some comparisons. I have an i7 4770K, which is overclocked to 4.4 at 1.25 volts. And I will post it with my new cooler, some temps and performance. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Have a nice day.